everyone, today we start this broadcast celebrating the life of Queen Elizabeth II. I haven't seen you guys in a couple of weeks in deference to all of my Kingdom and Commonwealth viewers who have suffered this incredible loss that even though it was expected, it was a shock and it was very quickly as it appears. So I wanted to take a break and take a moment to just ponder and think about Her Majesty's beautiful gift that she left to all of us. A gift of duty and a gift of commitment to her position. So join me as I have a sip of tea in her memory. And let's just go ahead and start with the GlossyBox and the LookFantastic box for August, I think, or September. I have had these boxes for a while, but like I said, I did not want to make videos just yet. So let's start with the Beauty Box 08, so that is the August one. It's time to hydrate. I hope I got a few of these items. I was looking for a pink nail polish. I hope it's there. We'll see. You will have gotten a permutation of these items on the box. And the idea is a holistic hydration from the inside out. Here we go. Okay, the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment and adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium, and coarse hair. I love it. I definitely need this. I just saw the packaging for this beautiful line and I wanted to get it, and I totally am in the hunt for the product itself because the packaging looked adorable. The cool thing about this particular elasticizer is that even fine hair can use it. It's made for all sorts of hair types, from the finest hair to the coarsest hair, and it will give you bouncy. So it will be less likely that you will have breakage because your strands will be, I guess, elasticized. You can pull on it without breakage. So pretty cool stuff. I'm excited about that. I did get a gua sha stone, which I already have one. Oh my gosh, I need to do a video for you guys to see the difference on lifting and the drainage that the gua sha will do, so that in the morning when you use your gua sha stone for just maybe 5 minutes, it will do a lymphatic drainage as well as have a lifting effect. It makes a huge difference, and I should use mine more often. So super cool. Lots of people choose to keep it in the refrigerator so that it's nice and cool when you use it. I find that that's too cold for me. I don't want to break my capillaries. The shape is super neat because it will actually get all little areas and spots. Like this right here is ideal for your jawline. I shouldn't be doing this. I have no oil in my skin. But you get the point. The next product I got was the Sacha Ocean Mist, and it is a volumizing shampoo, which I don't feel that I need. I don't enjoy volumizing shampoo. I know that this product is from Norway. It looks so refreshing. Isn't that beautiful? Great for the end of summer. Ooh, perfect. I also got a 35% vitamin C perfecting serum, and the fun thing about these serums, I do use vitamin C daily. You have to be careful with vitamin C if you become irritated by it. Some people cannot withstand the harshness of the vitamin C, so don't use it. But it is ideal, especially after summer when your skin has been bombarded by the free radicals from being exposed to the sun, use your vitamin C in conjunction with your sunscreen, and it will do two things. Well, vitamin C will fight the free radicals. Once you put the sunscreen over, will make a huge difference in the creation of new spots. Right now, my skin is in such trouble that I need to do a lot of exfoliating and vitamin C usage as well as sunscreen usage. Then I got 2 makeup items. The reason I'm putting my hand in here, you guys, is to cover my eyes. Otherwise, the camera will focus on me instead of on the product. See? All right, so let's see what these 2 are. One is a Meet Matte Heels. How cute! see the name? Meet Matte Heels. His name is Matt. And it's a lipstick. Let's see how the color goes. Oh, it looks deep. It smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. It feels as if it had oil in it, so it must be very nice to keep your lips from getting dry. And the color is matte, as the name says. The other product that we got was the Double Act Shadow Stick. So let's try them. They come in 2 colors, a darker one for the crease and a lighter one for the highlighted area. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oops, isn't that beautiful? Usually these shadow sticks is you have about 20 seconds to blend it. Look, and it is blending beautifully, and then it will stay put. That is so pretty. Love them. All right, so that was that for the Look Fantastic box. Let's try the next one. So GlossyBox usually comes with this free 17 meals. I've never done that. It is called the Golden Hour. Lovely. You know, the end of summer, this is when about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, when the sun is going down and photography is just beautiful, and there is that beautiful glow to everything. And at the very end right here, you guys, they have their advent calendar. Usually the advent calendar comes out in October, I think. Oh, here it goes. Launching in September. So beginning in September, you can purchase this, and they go super fast. So I'm gonna tell you right now, you wanna get on that list and jump on it as soon as it comes out. It's a big deal. I don't know how much it is, but I think last year it was something like, you know, $100, and you get $700 worth of merchandise, and absolutely a steal. I love it. So I hope they send me one this year so I can share it with you guys. All right, let's see what they got. Glossies. Let's just take a look. It's a little messy because I have been tossing this around the house. The biggest thing that I see here, the Kueshi full-size vanilla shower gel. I'm not crazy about vanilla scents. Guys, I can't smell anything. Maybe when I use it in the shower, I'll let you know, and I'll write it down here. But it is a vanilla revitalizing shower gel with chamomile extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. Like I said, not crazy about vanilla, but I'm gonna have to tell you guys what I thought. I just can't believe I can't smell it. Maybe it's so subtle that I can't smell that. You know how vanilla has that sweetness to it? I usually am not crazy about it. So Kueshi, limited edition. It's made in Spain. Interesting. Rich, warming scent of vanilla coupled with chamomile extract in the shower gel is just deliciously calming. But please don't taste it. Don't eat it. Just remember, you guys, that when you're taking hot, steamy showers, it can really dry your skin. So you want the temperature to be just right, warm enough that you can stand it kind of quick. Don't stay in there for too long, and pet dry your skin so that you don't dry your skin more than it's necessary. All right, guys, get ready for this next item. This is a full-size eye cream. It is super pricey. I think this tiny little eye cream costs about $80, and it is made with pearls from, I think, some area in Australia. And the pearls and alpha hydroxide acid and also like some diamond sparkle that will create a airbrush look. I am very curious about this, and I think I'm gonna try it over my makeup. I don't know what kind of mess I'm putting myself into, but you guys can laugh at me to the end of the day because I want to try this. There is so little in here that I guess you only need a little. You can see the shimmer on the product right away. Forgive me, I am going to put this over my makeup because I'm just so curious about this. I cannot tell, but if there's a shimmer, a natural, beautiful shimmer, I would love for it to look beautiful without the makeup. Can you notice anything that is like softening? Give it a few minutes. I'll be here all day. So you guys can tell me if you see a difference between this eye and this eye. Just down here. Very interesting. So the next product, Cab Cosmetics Illuminating Dust. How beautiful is that? The idea of a dusty, shimmery, beautiful powder to wear over your clean skin. You don't even need to wear this. Or if you want that glowy look after you all done. I'm wearing cool colors today, but this would definitely look beautiful if I were going for that sunny look, the 5 o'clock glow. Definitely something that I would be happy with. You can see the color right there on that middle finger. It's quite dark. Look at how dark it is. A velvety, soft formula designed to illuminate your most gorgeous features. Its rich golden color will flatter dark skin tones, while lighter skin tones may choose to mix with a bronzer or use as eyeshadow. There you go. I think I can use it as an illumination for my dark skin tone because I'm still a little tanned. But in the winter, I'll definitely maybe use it as an eyeshadow, very light shadow right there. The magic of a shimmery powder like this is that you can either use it with a wet brush to make it very intense, or dilute it into face oil and you don't need any makeup. You can just put it on all over your face and you get that 5 o'clock golden hour glow with very little effort. If you're wearing an off-the-shoulder top, you can just rub some on points like your clavicle or your shoulders, and of course your high cheekbones. I always go for the tip of my nose or the bridge of the nose. And if you still want to keep that tan that is slowly fading away for many of us, this product right here should just keep that tan. It's just a little fresh little medium mist that will give you a tan, and it will keep that tan going. Just remember to always exfoliate before you tan. Here's a tip. When you're using tanning mists, use a makeup brush to spread the tanning mist evenly on your hands to give you an evenly distributed, beautiful glow. And the final product is the Muru Muru Restoring Hair Mask by Muru Muru, which is a Brazilian brand. I don't find that their shampoo and conditioners are humectifying, or in other words, they don't hydrate and make my hair feel luxurious enough. I have very coarse hair. I will try this mask. Everybody needs a good mask. I just had one yesterday, really, because I needed to treat my hair. So this time of the year is ideal, and you should be doing it year round, but go heavy right now on the mask treatment just to get your hair repaired for the winter months. Winter is coming. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my tribute to the UK. I wish Prince Charles a long reign, and I just simply adore Kate, Princess of Wales, and William and their adorable family, and I look forward to following their apprenticeship into the places in history that they will occupy. Have a great one. And to top it off, my golden trusty lip gloss. Perfect golden hour. Oh my gosh, how many times am I gonna drop this box?